Is it okay to eat more than 10 French fries in a serving? You'll often hear someone ask for fries with their meal. Is there a clear winner on this one? Yes, we Americans eat the most fries of anyone in the world. Americans eat a staggering 86 pounds of French fries per person per year. It's important to have a healthy diet and stay within your calorie intake. Now, a Harvard professor is catching heat for telling people not to eat more than 6 French fries at one time. This is what a serving of fries looks like. Recently, I ordered a burger and fries for lunch and counted every single fry. There are 64 of them in this serving, so how many French fries should we eat? This is a question that has been debated for years. Some people say that there is no such thing as too many fries, while others say that they should be eaten sparingly. Dr. Oz was asked what amount of French fries are okay to eat. He said that if you do eat French fries, it should be no more than the number of fingers on your hands. So that would mean that we should eat no more than 10 French fries according to Dr. Oz. Do we really have to limit ourselves to eating no more than 10 French fries? A nutritionist was asked about the French fry question and said, "I do not think we should be demonizing the French fry. Yes, it is not healthy food. However, if you are living an overall healthy lifestyle and eating lots of whole real foods and managing your stress and exercising, go ahead and have a large serving of French fries." People are reacting strongly to the Harvard professor in question on social media. A TV host tweeted a photo of fries captioned with "I don't have time for this type of negativity in my life right now." The professor responded, "Am I really a monster? It was just a suggestion."